Still more of those fake scam recovery experts have been appearing in the comments on my videos. So, let's go scam baiting. You may not have seen these on my channel. Most of the time these spam comments land straight in the quarantine and I deal with them. But if you want to see some of these in the wild, look in the comments section under some videos with the words crypto or scam in the title and you'll fairly quickly find them on channels where they don't have the filter settings dialed up quite as high as I do. They're often written in such a way that they imply they're related to or somehow endorsed by the video content itself, and they also often include some sort of generic praise that might sound like it's directed at the video creator, maybe to try to camouflage themselves as genuine or appreciative comments. Anyway, if you've lost money to a scammer, anyone in the comments on YouTube promising recovery of your funds is just another scammer. Talk to your bank or the police, nobody else can help. Following her hijinks with one of these scammers, called NYD Cleck in my last video, my scam-baiting persona Monica Flange decided to contact this one with a story of woe about being a scam victim. This time, the scammer was the first to make contact after Monica followed them.
Hola.
Hi.
Thanks for reaching out to Lala Dispute 1, and how may we be of assistance? Have you been scammed?
I need to ask you a question.
Okay, go on. Am listening.
Do you know what is a Cleck?
Yes, I do.
What is it? Is it some sort of insult?
No, it's not an insult. Did someone say that to you? Is this all you want to know?
No, there are other things we need to talk about, but first, this.
Okay, so tell me, where are you from?
You haven't answered my question.
I told you already, it's not an insult.
But what is it? What actually is a Cleck?
Here is the meaning of the word Cleck. To grasp or see something, suddenly and eagerly, snatch.
Did you learn this at school?
You don't need to learn everything at school. Sometimes you make research on your own. So answer my question now. Where are you from?
Do they let you do your own research at your school?
Excuse me, I'm not a student.
Oh. I thought you were probably a small boy.
Lol, I'm 52 by age. How old are you, by the way?
Really? Oh.
Hmm?
I don't think that's an appropriate question.
But I just told you my.
You told me something, certainly. Have you heard of NYD Cleck?
Sorry, I don't know of that. What does it mean?
That's what I was hoping you would explain.
So sorry, dear, my job is helping good people around the globe recover back their lost money. So if you have nothing related to that, I'm sure you should have a nice day.
That's what NYD Cleck also says. I want your opinion on NYD Cleck.
Let me ask you this question. Did you lose money to any online scam? Did you send money to him?
I would greatly prefer it if you would answer my questions rather than asking me questions.
You have to answer my question so I can know more on how to assist you, okay? A lady reputed him to have scammed her of her money while trying to get back her lost funds, but God so kind I finally did the job and made sure the money she sent to NYD Cleck was reversed back to her.
Wait, so you're saying NYD Cleck is a scammer? And you helped with recovery of the fund?
Of course.
So why didn't you say this earlier?
After revealing his full name to me, then I know the person you were talking about. The first word NYDC has no meaning to me.
But NYD Cleck's page is about ethical hacking and scam recovery. Are you telling me there are people on Instagram pretending to be recovery experts who are actually just scammers?
Yes, that's what they do. Just try to jeopardize the work of real hack recovery.
That is interesting. How can I tell the difference between the real recovery people and the scammers?
Just be careful out there. I believe I have made things clear to you. Got some recovery work to do now. Thank you once more for reaching out. You can contact me anytime. If you've got any issues on recovery, I will be here to help or maybe recommend family friends that might be victims of this bad eggs out there.
How can I be sure you are not a scammer? You do smell faintly of egg.
I work for the passion of the job too, to help as much victims as I can and make the world a better place for all. I'm not desperate to work for no one because I know how effective my work is.
Okay. So there was a soldier that I met on a dating app. He was very caring and attentive, and I think we fell in love. He was coming to meet me, but something went wrong. A problem with the visa ticket. People told me that he might be a scammer, so I was wondering if you can find out.
And how do you communicate with this soldier?
Email. I sent him enough money for the visa ticket, but I worry he might have some other problem and need more.
Okay, send me the email so I can cross-check for you.
Okay, I'll do that a bit later. I need to go to the store for gift cards first.
Did he ask you to get gift card?
No, these are for something else.
Personal use, right.
That's what the FBI agent told me to say. Yes, personal use.
Good, we can use that to track them down.
Track down the FBI? Why?
So go get the card. Notify me after getting the card, then I will tell you how to go about it, okay? If he's an imposter.
I don't think they have those in the FBI.
With my years of experience, FBI don't ask for gift card, okay? How much card are you getting? To be on the safer side, so you don't lose your gift card, let me know so I will guide you on how to send the card in order to know if he's real or not.
Only $500.
Okay, notify me once you're back from the store. I got friends that work with the FBI, so it will be much easier to identify the scammer. And make sure you don't tell him about this, so he don't get scared, okay?
This isn't anything to do with the reason I contacted you. I want to find out about Sergeant Merton.
Yes, I understand, but you've clearly fallen for another scam by sending out the gift card without a proper link track. I asked for the email that you haven't provided. We made arrest of about 100 last year.
How did you arrest the FBI? That doesn't even make sense.
He was pretending to be an FBI, which he scammed a lot of people. The track code we are to use is to make you be on the safer side, which means if he's legit, he can access the gift card, but if he's not, then he can't access the card. Automatically, you can still get the 500 back to your balance. Have you sent the card? If we don't do this, bet he's going to ask you for more money. Have a nice day.
I couldn't get the cards today. They don't sell them in dollars.
Okay, good for you.
I was thinking, if the FBI is fake, maybe I shouldn't get the gift cards.
It's advisable to get the card tomorrow. That way we can apprehend him. Besides, you won't lose your money if we link it.
Okay, I will get the cards. What about Sergeant Merton, though? I've not heard from him since last week.
I asked you for his mail address, so I can investigate and give you a result.
Merton's email address.
Okay, make sure you stay active online.
Why?
So as to give you feedback on the process.
You're going to give me feet?
Feedback. Sorry about the typo error.
Oh, right. Yeah. Because if you send me pictures of feet, I will block you.
Excuse you? What do you mean by that?
That's what I thought you meant when you said you were going to give me feedback. There are some real weirdos on the internet.
First you have to examine the issue and put out a solution. Now we have to get an QIT4 to help access his location.
What is an QIT3?
It's a tool that gives access to give out useful information.
Oh, just Googled it. Right.
Lol, some dark web tool can't be found on Google.
How do you think that will help?
That's not the tool.
It's certainly an impressive piece of machinery, but I don't see how a Vestil QIT4 quick install manual trolley 4,000 pound capacity is going to help you find Merton.
It's a program data tool.
No, it's a Vestil QIT4 quick install manual trolley 4,000 pound capacity. I Googled it.
This is my job. I can tell you the difference.
Go ahead.
This is just machinery. Why the tool I'm talking about is a program data specified for jobs like this.
Okay, go on.
It will cost you $198. The tools can also save us data to spy on suspected people around you.
That's quite good value. The results I found on Google cost twice that. But what's the capacity of the one you can get for $198?
If we go for this, then it will take us just an hour to get the results. But if we go for the high price, which we can get for $480 at its best, then we good. So which are you going for, the $198 or the $480?
The one I found has a 4,000 pound capacity. I don't know if that's good, but it seems a lot. Oh, they also do a QIT6. You should use one of those.
Let's go for the $198, that's fine. What's your payment method?
I'm not sure I can afford that. I need $500 for the gift cards for the FBI tomorrow.
Okay, then why don't we also find out his location to save you from the stress?
Yes. Then after you find him, I can get him to pay the $198.
You see, all I'm trying to do here is keep you safe. I understand this most be new to you, but you have to follow my guidance so we get good result on this.
Let me know when you've found his location. He's supposed to be here.
We have to buy the tool first and decide on what app does he communicate with you.
Email. I told you. I thought you said we didn't need to buy the tool.
No, we need the tool. I asked you what was your payment method.
The Vestil QIT4 quick install manual trolley 4,000 pound capacity? You said we didn't need that.
That's not the one I'm talking about.
So the QIT6 then. Vestil QIT6 quick install manual trolley 6,000 pound capacity.
What I'm telling you about is not physical. It's a program data from the board of hackers.
It does look a lot more robust.
I will make an other for the tool, or if you want, I can give you their cell line to contact them and buy the tool yourself. But it will be more expensive if you are to buy it yourself.
I told you, if we buy the tool, I will not have enough money for the gift cards tomorrow, and the FBI will immediately arrest me.
Okay, do you think it better we wait tomorrow, then after you buy the cards, then I will put the link right?
Well, I don't want to get arrested.
You won't, and that's a promise. Have you tried buying the card online? It's more fast and reliable.
The FBI said they would.
Are you ready to listen to me?
Not tonight. I'm tired. I'm still jet-lagged.
Let me know when you're about to go get the card tomorrow, okay?
The IRS, FBI, or other agencies will not contact you out of the blue, and they especially will never demand payments in gift cards. Never give up money or personal information over unsolicited phone calls.
Where did you find that information?
Like I said, I'm good at my work, so I know more than you do.
Was that on a web page? I would like to read it. I feel like I need to learn more about stuff like that.
They are web. You can't gain access if you aren't given the code. Of course, I can educate you more and expose you to so many info to know about scammers and imposters you should watch out for. Make sure you don't tell him a word of the truth I'm bringing to your notice.
Okay. Do you have like a link to a good website about it?
That's more reason I want us to work on his location.
If I wake up in the night, I could rig up on different kinds of scam. There's nothing else to do in this hotel.
Yes, but you have to pouches and access code.
I don't know what any of that means.
You have to subscribe to the data. That alone cost about $250.
For a web page? Wow.
Yes, it contains a lot of useful info.
Maybe you can just Google it. That works for the Vestel QRT4 quick install manual trolley £4,000 capacity.
You won't get an answer about that.
We should at least try.
This my job. You don't know what to do in this situation than me.
That's what I need to learn. Anyway, I need to sleep now.
Okay, notify me when you're ready, okay?
What about this website? It doesn't cost anything.
You should stick to just one person to get your job done.
I'll read it a bit anyway. It can't harm to look.
Let's do it this way. Go to the store tomorrow, get the gift card so we proceed from there, okay? Use that method on him.
Good night.
Stay safe out there.
Hi. Got the gift cards. They have weird money here, so I had to get £500 instead of dollars. I sent the pictures of the gift cards through to the FBI, so over to you now to do your thing.
Send me the card now. But I told you to send me the card first.
Did you? I thought you said to send the cards to the FBI first, and then after that, later we get the Vestel QIT4 quick install manual trolley £4,000 capacity.
Stop typing and send me the screenshot of the card, ASAP.
Wow, you're being quite rude.
I want to put the track on.
Now's no time for playing music.
I'm waiting for you to send the card.
Although I understand that listening to music does help some people to work more productively. I've never found that to work for me.
If he makes use of the card first, then you lost your money. We're running out of time. Send the card.
Here's one of the cards. I had to get 5 of them as they can only hold 100 each.
Is this how you sent the card to him?
No, there were some numbers under a scratch thing.
They are codes at the back of the card. Yes, send them to me.
But after I sent that, I kept scratching to see what would happen. Like there might have been another number underneath. Layers. But there wasn't.
Send it to me just the way you send it to him. With the number.
Okay, wait a moment.
What are you waiting for?
Wow, you're sort of pushy.
I'm not. I just want us to place the link before he use.
I'm getting to it. I can't find the pics. It's so strange because they should be on my phone still. But the phone's acting all weird. Do you think the FBI has bucked it? Anyway, the FBI now says there's a different problem. I wish this could just be done and dealt with.
He's going to keep asking you for more.
Well, yeah, that just happened, as I said.
My problem with you is that you don't listen to me. You just go ahead and do what's on your mind.
The $500 was to cancel the arrest one, but now they need to buy a software thing for purging the file.
It all fake and a lie.
So I was thinking, can you lend me, like, $300?
You must be out of your mind.
I am out of my mind, with worry.
Yes, you deserve it because you think you know all.
I don't want to have a police record and I just spent my last money. Wow.
Like I said, it all a lie. I don't believe you no more.
You are a cruel person.
You could not show me the card you bought.
I told you the FBI messed with my phone.
It all fake.
All of it?
You just letting yourself being played. Where are you from?
Brazil.
The scammer attempted an audio call.
Why did you try to call me?
Pick up the phone.
The scammer attempted a video call.
This is a computer, not a phone.
Okay, pick up.
Now what?
Don't text me no more. Go fix your problems yourself. I believe you can do that.
You're quite a rude person.
I'm not rude. It's just you that's the problem.
That's something a rude person would say. Or a child, I suppose, like a small boy. Are you a small boy?
Now I see how ignorant you are.
Anyway.
Bye and don't text me no more.
Okay, it's not that you helped at all anyway, so no problem. I will not message you anymore. After this. Or if there is some other reason.
I can't work with someone that believes she knows my job better without letting me do my job my way.
That sounds like a you problem, to be completely frank. Not a me problem.
I told you once, you get the card, notify me first, but what did you do? You sent him the card first, then came up to say you don't know what's wrong with your computer. That's suspicious.
I suppose I'll have to ask MYD Cleck to help with Sergeant Merton.
Yes, I think that will be better.
There's a lot about this that is suspicious. About you, I mean.
I'm not worried about you. As you know, it's not my lose, it's yours. So you should do better to follow instructions.
Okay. If you want me to stop messaging you, you'll have to stop talking to me. If you keep on saying things, how do you expect the conversation to end? Huh? Oh, wow. MYD Cleck has blocked me. Can you believe it?
Are you ready to follow my instructions?
I've been following your instructions so far, and it has not helped. We are no closer to locating Sergeant Merton, and now I have no money left.
How did you get to know of me? On what social media?
I saw a comment somewhere saying you were an awesome force or something. I don't remember where it was.
That should be YouTube, right?
Could be, or IG or TikTok. Why?
To proceed now, first we have to buy the tool I told you about.
The trolley thing? How much does that cost?
$198.
Have you used the tool before?
Of course, I help people with issues like yours.
So you already have the tool. There is no need to buy another one. Use the one you already have.
You can't use the tool on a different mission. Are you getting the money so we proceed?
Who's going to stop you?
It already programmed.
I thought you had skills relating to that. Just program it to find Sergeant Merton, or whatever you have to do.
If you can't pay for the tool, then I think we should stop right here.
If we stop here, how will I find Sergeant Merton? I came here to England to meet him.
Then make the payment.
I told you I don't have any money left. I spent the last of my funds on the play cards.
I told you from the start, if you don't have money, then go get some money.
Wow. You're pretty heartless, aren't you?
But after this, the scammer blocked Monica. It's possible to know this because the seen messages in the chat window just stop happening, and when I click on the scammer's profile now, I get a broken page. So that's all I have for now, although these scammers are coming thick and fast, so it might not be very long before we have another one of these to play with. Thanks for watching, stay safe from scams, and I hope to see you again soon.